If you're looking to modernize the very simple factory third brake light on your 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500, this Morimoto X3B LED third brake light will be a great way to do it. Again, this is going to be a great choice when it comes to style if you want to modernize the rear end of your Silverado and match with any other LEDs that you've already installed, and it's going to do it in an incredibly clean way. Now, the functionality of the light will also be drastically improved, so if you are looking to make your truck more noticeable and get some extra bed lighting benefits for better visibility for your cargo area, then this is going to do that as well. Now, this will have a high quality LED setup to make your build more noticeable on the street with super bright LED brake lighting that you'll be able to clearly see at night and even during the day. Now, this will also feature improved cargo lights that will offer full lighting to the bed with bright white LEDs with no dead spots to allow optimal visibility when accessing your bed at night. Now, this will also feature the ability to have an F1 style rapid flash with a compatible harness that is available separately if you're looking to add more of that custom touch to your Silverado. Now, this will have a clear polycarbonate lens and a black polycarbonate housing, which is going to boast a lot of durability across the board while incorporating some unique styling with the raised 4-bar lens compared to other flat options. Now, this will even feature an arrow-inspired brow on the top for an aggressive appearance to the light itself, which I think is a really nice added touch. Now, the inside of this will have multiple 3-watt LEDs. They are going to be high intensity, which will not only be incredibly bright, but will also be efficient, drawing less power to maintain an incredibly long lifespan after you install this. Now, this will also be DOT and SAE approved, and it's going to be completely plug and play for a little bit of peace of mind that this is not only going to be an easy install, but a safe one as well. This will come in at about $250, and compared to others, it's going to be a bit more of a premium choice, but for good reason. Not only will this offer clean and high-powered LEDs, but this will also have a design that stands out from the rest with the raised bars on the lens and the jewel-like lenses, as Morimoto puts it. Now, Morimoto also has a light map proving the beam pattern will have a wide and concentrated light, which also offers some peace of mind that you're definitely getting what you pay for with this system. Now, install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 20 minutes to get the job done, and you will need a T20 Torx bit and a drill to do it. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their Silverado and is going to walk you through the process step by step on how to get this onto yours. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
I'm going to start by removing the 2 T20 screws. You're going to save these as you reuse them. Disconnect your light. I'm going to wipe this down. And with our new fixture, this little plug we pop in, press that down.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this Morimoto X3B LED third brake light fitting all 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. And remember, for all things Silverado, always keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.